at that! Wow, 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 wow. Flower nose is healing my inner child. Naka-embossed talaga siya. Kita kayo? Tada! Okay guys, I'm back! And I'm so excited to unbox this beautiful stuffs from Flower Nose. Okay, so unahin natin tong pink box from Flower Nose. And yes guys, this video is not sponsored by Flower Nose. I bought them because I want to try them. And ang dami ko kasi nakita ng reviews na hindi daw siya pigmented. Yung packaging lang daw yung maganda sa kanya. So, let's try it. Tignan natin if totoo ba yung sinasabi nila or baka sobrang ganda na talaga ng Flower Nose and ginigikis sa atin. Ito, open ko na siya. Wow! Okay guys, so if you're not familiar with Flower Nose, ito yung kind ng makeup collection ng makeup na meron silang mga detailed packaging and sobrang unique, sobrang pretty, sobrang slay, sobrang tender, sobrang coquette. Kung favorite nyo yung mga bata pa kayo, mga little dancing princesses, or kaya any ballet movies, super magugustuhan nyo siya. So, let's go! Oh, wait pala, I chose two from their collection. This is yung Midsummer series or Midsummer collection, and some of these products are from their Swan Ballet collection. Tinatag ko na rin siya sa plastic para mabilis yung natin, check natin. Ayan, ang dami niya. Wala nang unahin ko. Sige, dun tayo sa pinakamagandang part. Agad. Since hindi ko pa natatry any of their products, pinili ko yung Swan Ballet kasi ang ganda niya. Doon tayo kagad sa best part. Huh? Wala pa. Huwag tayong OA. Super OA, pero grabe. Look at that. Yung texture niya, guys, grabe. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Grabe guys, pag meron kayo, or kaya kung bumili kayo guys, mas lalo na siyang ma-appreciate in real life. Kasi, eto, ang ganda ng design niya. Pwede ba makipag-collab sa inyo ako magda-design? Tapos ang theme Hannah Montana. Charot. Ito na! Wow! Ayan guys, hindi ko pa natatanggal yun sa mirror niya. Kasi tinanggal ko lang bawat plastic sa bawat boxes. Kita niyo yung design niya. Naka-ano talaga siya. Anong tawag doon? Brain, please work, brain. Naka-embossed. Ayun. Ayun, no? Tsaka ang ganda ng nails ko. Super galing guys ng aking nail tech. I love you, ate. Hala, wait! Ang ganda ng ano niya rin niya, oh. Highlighter ba to? Di alam. Pinasa ko yung nakalagay, guys. Syempre, as a writer, ang hiling natin basta ng mga quotations and everything. Sabi dito sa may baba, the dream that never ends. Yes, 12 dancing princesses. They are dancing forever. Charot. Wow, ang ganda niya. Naka-ano, guys. Naka-corset, guys. Tapos, naka-embossed talaga siya. Kita kaya? Ayun, ayan. Ang ganda. Wow. Anong hindi pigmented at pangalang ano na. Ano pa kayo pag ginamit siya, right? I don't want to ruin it. Ooh. I don't want to ruin the design. I'm so excited to use it, guys. At meron pa nga yung ballet shoes. Hindi tinigilan. Okay. Next. Yeah, ang ganda. Wait, tanggalin natin yung... Okay, let's try it. Wow, ang ganda rin niya, guys. Like, whoa. It's like giving angelic vibes because I think this is from their Angel collection. Yay! Ang bigat niya. This is one of the best hair clip ever. More! Flower Nose more. You can have some. Wow! This is the blush on. I think I'm gonna give this to Sabrina. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng Flower Nose slide brush. So, unang-unahin natin. Lipstick. Whoa! Look at that. Ang ganda ng mga pa-ribbon. Very coquette. Very feminine. Very kissy. Yay! Wala, hindi matanggal. Wala, ang ganda! So, this is Flower Nose Swan Ballet Shine Lipstick BO3 Sweetheart. So, Sweetheart. Wow, tapos ito po guys, oh look. Pang stamp. Hindi pa. Ay, hindi ko pala napakita. Tinry ko agad. Wow, look at that. That pala. Wow. Gano'n siya kahaba. Ano, diba? Oh, tinry ko yun guys. Ano sinasabi yung packaging lang maganda sa flower nose. I think it's a really great product, guys. They have really great products and presentations and everything. Wow. Woo! Success! Tama tayo ng tinry. Ang ganda! Favorite ko na to. Gusto ko na rin yung shade niya. Ito yung pinaka perfect for my lips. Ako na yung And yeah, gets ko na. Ngayon ko gets yung design. Guys, siya, corset siya. Ito yung ribbon sa likod ng corset. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl? Sure. She's got everything. Woo! Wala transparent siyang cute, guys. So, this is their makeup brush. Hello, ang cute! Pero pang pipink ko na lang siya, chari. This is from their Swan Ballet collection. I have 4 pieces only, but I'm so grateful to myself. Chari. And this, I really love this. Unang gamit ko pa lang, wow. Like, whoa. Okay, next, ito na my favorite, the mirrors. And wow! Hala, may mga ballerina ulit na nagda-dance. Bibigay ko ba to? Akin na lang to. Hindi mo ito bilis mabasag, no? Flower, no? Hindi siya mabilis masira. And this one is from their Angel collection. Wow! Ito pala yung tama, guys. Little Angel collection. And it's pink! Ito wala ng plastic, guys. Tinanggal ko na para diretso niya makita. Wow, cover is everything and the packaging is everything. Holographic. Wow. Ang ganda naman. Grabe. Kaya siguro mahal sa flower nose kasi ito pala sobrang effort na sila. And tada! Ang ganda niya! Wow! Tilagad. Ang ganda niya, guys. Look. Wow! Grabe, ang ganda. Ano pang sasabihin ko, diba? I can't wait to use these products, guys. Ito na nga ginamit ko kagad yung lipstick, diba? Kasi sobrang, Okay, guys. So, the next one is this big box or gift box from Flower Nose. Aside from color pink siya, and ang ganda, guys. Wow! Look at that. Ang ganda niya, grabe. So, parang siyang mini drawer. Ayan, tinanggal ko na siya lahat sa plastic. Okay, let's see. Wow. Ito, gusto ko na siya magamit kasi I love having and collecting perfumes. Ah, yes, they have perfumes! Okay. So, this is the Flower Nose Midsummer Fairytales Collection Perfume. So, sa Midsummer nila, they have 2 perfumes. And ito yung napili ko based on sa tone na nakalagay sa kanilang details. How do you pronounce this? Narcissus? Narcissus. Whoa. Wala. Isa na open. Okay. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Ito na. Tada! Ang bigat niya, guys. Mas mabigat ba sa akin ito? Takip pa lang, guys. Takip pa lang to, parang pang-clip na. So, let's try it. Get it first. Wow. Ooh, careful. Super careful. Okay, so itong tsura niya, guys. Grabe, ang ganda. Tapos parang may glitters yung nasa loob niya. Look at that. Wait lang, kabit natin. Wow. Ang ganda niya. Look at that. Wow. Grabe, parang potion to. Shake it first. Matutulog tayo ang may flower note. Perfect. Para siyang nasa garden and it's more like flowery din. Pero hindi siya sobrang tamis. Yun yung mga gusto ko sa babango. Hindi sobrang tamis, sobrang tapang. I love musk. Kahit sa mga binibili kong perfume, guys, ang lagi kong tinitignan is kung may wood scent siya or musk scent. Yan. Yun na lagi yung mga nakikiligan kong notes from the perfumes. I love it. Thank you for creating this flower nose. I'm so grateful. Okay, next is... Whoa. Wait, may clip again! Bago natin i-unbox yung last from Midsummer. Ito ay from... Mermaid! Moonlight Mermaid collection nila. Yung mga nakagamit na dyan ng strawberry collection, let me know kung ano yung favorite niya, then I'll try it. Yeah, ang ganda niya, guys. So, wow. And yeah, I love Ariel as well. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. Okay, this is not a makeup or what. This is a hairbrush. May hairbrush siya, so let's try it. Let's remove the clip. Wow! They're so pretty! Fabulous, magnificent. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog tonight. I hope you like flower nose as much as I do. And yes, flower nose, thank you so much for creating this kind of makeup. Bye-bye! Love you guys!